Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We're on day 4 of our market recap. Yesterday I could not trade because of account issues. There's a thing called the PDT rule, which means what I do, you can only do it 3 times a week if you're trading on a margin account. And I didn't know I was on a margin account, so I had to switch that over to a cash account. And if you're on a cash account, you can trade as much as you want as long as it's settled funds. If you don't know more about that, message me and we can get that figured out for you. But today, by the way, we have 80 subscribers, 20 away from another giveaway. It's unbelievable the growth I'm having this early. 446 views. Let's get that above 450. 109 views, 60 views. Let's get this to 100 views. 154 views, and let's get this also to 100 views. Anyways, today I am up $425. And I traded SGRP. I'm telling you guys, look at this pattern. Don't I tell you guys every single video? The stocks I watch, they push up, pull back. They might make another push up. Sometimes they'll make another push and then test these new highs. Sometimes break it, but then boom, fall down, consolidation throughout the afternoon. This is why I only trade until 10:30, 11:30 every day, because you start seeing less volume each day, and less moves that are even worth the risk. But anyways, I am up $425. I actually traded 2 stocks today. We'll go over the first one, which was MYSZ. I didn't really make that much money, but I think I made like 40 something bucks on it. It's because I sold half my position, but we'll go over that right now. I traded that at 39 seconds into the open. Got rid of it literally a minute later, just about. We'll look over this MYSZ. So I wake up in the morning. I get my scanners open. I see what's gapping up. A gap up means it's gapping up from the previous close. So you'll see, like, this one's gapped up obviously from the previous close. I go on Facebook on our Stock Market 2018 group, and I actually go live in there, and I do my pre-market analysis with everyone, or not everyone, but whoever tunes in with me. And it's for people that aren't really trading too successfully, and they need a little help or other opinions to see what they trade. But anyways, this morning I saw MYSZ was on our watch list, MARA, and then PFM or something like that. PFMT. Those stocks all fell at the open, so I wasn't interested in them. But I saw this one. Okay, so my strategy was enter in at the break of $2, because you see this pre-market resistance right here at 198. So it opened at 192, dropped down a little bit. Then I saw it pushing up new levels. As you can see, pushed up, and then boom, $2. It broke over $2. As you can see, I put an order in at $2, got filled at $2. I had 500 shares, remember? 500 shares, okay. So then this one broke $2, okay, and then I was thinking like a 220 exit around 220. That's a good percentage move on a $2 stock. And I actually wanted to just book profits at 220 and then see what it could do after that. But it hit 217 on the 1 minute once, but within that 1 minute, I'm telling you, it touched it like 3 or 4 times. So I'm at that point, I know it's gonna either sell off or consolidate a little bit. So I just sold half my position right there at 217 at the time, which was the high day, which is really good. And then I held I still had 250 shares, which I was still holding. It touched down back to $2. I was gonna sell at the break of $2 if it broke down below $2 and just taking my little scalp of money. But it pushed back up, and it didn't touch these new high days. So I ended up selling 250 shares at 205. Yes, I mean covered commissions pretty much, a little bit extra cash. And so I was up about 40, $50 at the beginning of the day, and this SGRP came on my scanners, my momentum scanners. Momentum scanners are huge. SGRP. It tracks stocks that are having huge volume income and breaking high days, stuff like that. So we'll go over SGRP, the one that made me money today. Yeah, this is the daily chart down here in the bottom right. As you can see, it popped up. It broke over the previous we'll say resistance here at 167, and then on the 5-minute chart, boom, as soon as it breaks 167, right about here, it pushes all the way up to $2.20. And I wanted to originally get in at the break of $2 here, but I moved too quickly, and I didn't get it because this TradeStation thing I use. Hold on, I'll show you guys right now. This thing right here, what I do is it has like a circle with the line through it because I locked all my trading, so I don't actually press a button and buy something. But anyways, I'll try to click it. Like say the price is at $2.50. I want to buy at the break of $2.50, so I'll put a limit order at 251 and hopefully get filled. But sometimes when a stock gets very volatile, it can't keep up. I don't know. It's kind of hard to explain. One of these days I'll go live while I trade, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But it'll go to 280 pretty fast, and this won't be able to keep up with it. So you have to scroll up on your own, and it gets a pain in the ass sometimes. But anyways, yeah, I tried to buy it at $2. I couldn't. It pushes up. I let it consolidate a little bit, and then so I'm getting ready to buy 500 shares. And right now, this is the high of day at 235. So I wanted to put in a limit order at 236, the break of 236. Okay, I put a limit order, buy 500 shares at 236. I got filled, and then as soon as I get filled, instant boom, from 236 all the way to 314 in literally seconds, 30 seconds. And I'm this is a stress-free trade right here. When you buy in and then it goes up instantly, and you don't have to worry about your exit strategy, that's a stress-free trade. So I get in at 235 and boom, all the way up to 314. What was good about this, I'm catching the highs at the moment. But 214, this is when I sold my full position. 214, I was gonna sell half and then keep the other half to just hold and see what it does. But this the next candle ended up breaking $3. So hit 290, and then if I were to say hold 250 shares of it, I would have sold when it broke $3 anyways. So if anything, I would have lost a little money. But it did end up pushing all the way up to 367 or 365. Huge move. Didn't risk anything. Like I said, as soon as I bought in, the break of those highs went straight up. Great trade, really great trade. And what's crazy was this morning, I had to call a TradeStation, which is what I execute my orders on. This is the TradeStation. I had to call a TradeStation because my account was still on margin there. I wouldn't be able to trade if it was on margin still. So it was this is 8 o'clock in the morning. I called them. They're like, all right, we'll get you switched. I was like, I've been emailing you guys for 2 days now. They're like, all right, we'll get you switched. Don't worry about it. And then about 8:30, I was on cash and then good to go. So they said, the guy told me, he's like, well, usually it takes up to 24 hours and all this. I was like, oh my goodness, I'm not going to be able to trade today. So thankfully I was able to trade today up $425. Going in the weekend, feeling good. We bounced back from Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday we lost $109. Bounced back. So this week I'm up. So 425 plus. What did I win? Or what was I up? 215. So it's over $600. Over $600. I only traded 3 days this week because Monday I wasn't here in the morning. Tuesday I traded, and that's when I made the money, $215. Wednesday lost 109. Thursday did not get to trade because of my account issues once again. And then today, $425. And this is a really good trade. I'm really happy I got to trade this today because I was feeling kind of bummed out from the red day. It was just annoying, just account issues, and just I feel like everything was inconveniently going in the opposite way of I wanted it to be. So like I said, I bought the break of new highs, and it followed through. Sometimes they fall, a lot of times they follow through, and then like the video Wednesday, I'll break at the break of $2, or I'll buy at the break of $2, and it wouldn't follow through. I mean, it's just, look, I broke at $2, same thing I did Wednesday, but this one ended up falling through. I mean, not as much, but profit's profit. You gotta take it. So, as you can see, I have a Barstool baby. Just got my shirt. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see it. I hope. One by everybody knows the rules. I'm gonna make a video this weekend maybe of my scanners and how I find these stocks, because a lot of you guys are probably, especially the beginners, are like, how do you even find these stocks? Like I said, I just don't go on CNBC and look at the stock they're talking about and go trade it. It's a lot of criteria you have to go through and all this other stuff. But yeah, MYSZ and SGRP are my 2 trades today. And what's good, I didn't really use that much cash either, because these were lower price stocks. Yeah, these were lower price stocks, so I didn't use too much cash. I still have like $3,500 of buying power I could have used today. But Monday, there's Martin Luther King's Day, so we will not be trading that day. We can go ahead and put this in. So we traded MYSZ, and then we'll put plus what would I make? We'll say, so I made $395 on SGRP. We'll say $30 after commissions, and then SGRP plus $395 after commissions, and then $425. Good momentum today. Whoops, don't need that. Good momentum today, followed through stress free trades and follow the rules. Okay, I don't know why that just rang. The bell isn't even, it's not even 4 o'clock. Okay, anyways. See how some cryptos are doing. Not too bad. Bitcoin. Probably buy right now and flip this if it breaks $4,000. I'm gonna talk to my buddy about getting into cryptos and cloud mining and all this other stuff to make a decent amount of profit on that too. So yeah, 20 more subscribers and we're at 100 subscribers. We'll have another giveaway. If you guys want, you guys can join Stock Market 2018 group. I go live in there every morning. We have a feed as well. Today trades, what people are looking at. I sold 80% at 237. They're talking about MYSZ. MYSZ actually ran up later in the afternoon. Yeah, we talk about everything. Cryptos in here, stocks, wherever you want. If you're a beginner, just post anything. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Up $425 in the weekend. Monday, no trading. And then the grind starts back up Tuesday every day. I'm trying to trade every single day and miss the least amount of days I can throughout the year. But thank you guys for joining on this road to becoming a professional. 80 subscribers. So wait, how long have I? Okay, a week ago. I made this the 31st. It's almost 2 weeks. Almost 2 weeks, and we have 80 subscribers. I like that. Thank you guys for tuning in. please refer a friend, share the link, do what you gotta do so I can help you guys help me. You know, I want to become a better YouTuber as well as trader. I love learning new things, becoming better at new things. So, like I said, if you guys have any questions, add me on Facebook, Romeo Medina. I'll add you guys. Just let me know what questions you got, and we're out. Peace out, Girl Scouts.